Hello viewers, as you know I am Ashokananda from Tessia. This person is once again before all of you with a new small video whose title is Be Polite to Be Potent and Pervasive. Don't be timid to lose your existence. So what does it mean? If you are polite, you are humble, you talk politely with everybody else, then you can be potent. Everybody will give some space inside their heart to live. Everybody has vision to notice you. Everybody will feel comfortable because everybody likes the easy and smooth things. And then pervasive, you will be pervasive, you will spread easily from mouth to mouth, and your popularity will increase. They will like to share. People will like to share you because you are a humble person. They do not have any kind of obstruction or obstacle from you. That's why they would like to share to raise their popularity. And in this manner you will be pervasive. Take the case of two things. Water and air. What is the quality of the water? Water is of course potent and pervasive too, because water knows only the blowing skill, and water knows very well how to blow and how to take steps according to situation. So if you are polite, then you can take steps according to situation. You can be helpful for all of those people. Either they are angry, they are happy, they are sad. You can be the part of them, and you can react according to this situation. You will have better understanding from the previous one, and you can be eligible to handle the circumstance like water. You can change the shape. If you are falling inside the well, you will take the shape of the well. If you are blowing like the river, then automatically you will take the shape of the river. If you are inside the glass room, then you can glass space. Then you can take the shape of a tumbler automatically. And then of course, the more pervasive thing than the water is called the air. The term air. So what is the meaning of air? Air is such a kind of thing that is the source of our aliveness. Because of air, we all are alive. In spite of it, we are not thinking about anything else because of the innocence, because of the pervasiveness, because of the power of the potentiveness. So let us think about it. We all are thinking about jewel, we all are thinking about gold, we all are thinking about diamond, but we all never expect the dignity of the air. Why? Because the air is extremely pervasive, the air is extremely potent in my eyes. In my opinion, a person should be as important as air, like the teacher. The role of the teacher is like air, and the role of the parents is like the water. Both are essential, but the role of the teacher is extremely essential. The teacher is the maker of mind as well as the heart, and without these two things, life is nothing. Life is negligible. So be potent, be pervasive, and to be these two, you should be polite. Don't be timid unnecessary to lose your existence. If you are timid, how can you survive? Fear should be to improve ourselves, but there is no such fear considerable for us that is the hindrance to develop our character. We should develop our character because of the fear that can inspire us, that can motivate us, alert us to succeed, that can raise the hunger of us. that can raise the hunger of the people. We should never lose our existence, never surrender. No surrender at all. A teacher will never provide you a lesson to surrender. Be polite, be potent. To be pervasive, to be potent, you should be polite. Thank you all. I think you have understood well. It's over now, that's all.